My name's Amy Miller. I was detained yesterday at approximately noon. I was with Adam as well as one other colleague. We were on our way to cover the jail solidarity action. On the way on Bloor near Bay, we stopped because we saw a group of young people being detained and being searched, so we wanted to see what was happening. As Adam recounted, he was quickly taken down, and the same thing happened to me. I was throttled at the neck and held down, and then I was detained for nearly 13 hours. I was placed in a cell at the Toronto Film Studio, and I was in a cell with 25 other young women for approximately 13 hours. Throughout the time that I was detained, I was told many statements that I find repulsive and completely inappropriate, and what I view as threats. I was told I was going to be raped. I was told I was going to be gangbanged. I was told that they were going to make sure that I was never going to want to act as a journalist again by making sure that I would be repeatedly raped while I was in jail. When I was in the detention center, I saw numerous young women who were completely strip searched, who weren't strip searched by who were strip searched by male officers. And one young woman, when she was coming out, who was completely traumatized, said that she had had a finger put up her. And I find this completely unacceptable, and I hope that people will investigate this, because from what I saw in the cell, from the women who were coming out, who were being strip searched, they were definitely traumatized, and there was very much violence that was targeted to young women. While I was detained, it was very obvious that there was a profiling going on. It was primarily young people under the age of 25 who don't know their rights or who have a less knowledge of their rights, who were being told all kinds of different things. And so we had stopped to cover it because these were young people who were being detained and searched and who didn't know what was going on, who were just wanting to get onto their bus back to Montreal. And despite having my press pass on me the whole time, it was quickly ripped off of me. I was throttled down, and then next thing you know, I was being cuffed and put in